Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi, and I hope you are doing well. Today I will start this pattern, and this is a alphabet and also a reverse pattern, a triangle pattern. And in this pattern we have to print the alphabet instead of number. So we used nested for loop to understand or build this pattern. So firstly we declare two variables that are used in the nested for loop, and we declare integer type variable data I and j variable, and after declaration of I and j variable we create the nested for loop. Firstly we create outer for loop, and in this outer for loop we takes three parameter. Firstly we initialize the variable, second we check the condition, and third we increment or decrement the value of a variable. So firstly we initialize I variable equals to 0 and check condition if I less than equals to 4 and I increment to 1. And inside this outer for loop we create inner loop, and in this inner loop we also take three parameter. Firstly we initialize j variable, and we initialize j equal to 4 and check condition if j greater than equals to I and j decrement to 1. And inside this inner for loop we print the outer loop variable, that is I plus 65, because the sky value of capital A is 65 and we have a row wise pattern, so always we print the outer loop variable, that is I. So in this logic we print the I plus 65, and outside this inner loop we print backslash n for new line. When completing each row, cursor will automatically move to the next line. So when you compiled this program, there is no error in this program, and the accurate output is shown as below in the one after one command. So I hope you understand, and if you have any doubt or regarding this query, you can text me in the comment section. So if you have any doubt, any questions regarding the other technology, you can text me in the comment section. And have a great day. Move ahead and grow more and more day by day. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi. And thanks for watching. And subscribe our YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi and share more and more. And if you have any help, you can text me in the comment section. Thank you so much.